Hello, hello, my friends. My journal is almost ready, and welcome to another date to have another coffee with me in this amazing junk journal for coffee lovers. So today I'm gonna have two ideas to include in my journal, and they are these two ideas. First, I have part of the envelope with how to make cafe cubano or Cuban coffee, and I have these little lace from Ute. As I told you in my previous episode about this journal, this type of paper doesn't glue well with common glue. So what I did was that I stapled the paper onto the cardstock. But it doesn't matter because it's the back. Remember that this is a junk journal. It's kind of grungy, but I don't mind about that. The only thing is that I did this little tag here of flap in order for me to pull it from inside the pocket. So this is going to go here. Actually, this is part of the coffee packaging, and so I can have it here, and that's the recipe to make Cuban coffee. So I'm gonna have it back here, and I'll put another pocket for that one. So this, I really need something really urgent to place this here. I have a bunch of stuff I want to include in this journal. I can probably go with something in here to have another pocket that I need. Oh wow, I guess this is perfect. This is what I was looking for. It has the exact width and the perfect grunge aspect that I needed for this page. Actually, this is kind of fake embroidery or sewing part. It's actually wider, so okay. You see, everything is so perfect. I'm just gonna cut it straight, and I think that this is going to be what I need, and that is going to go here. Is exactly the width of the page, so I just can go like in a U shape. You can always staple it, but in this case you can use glue. It's too bad that I don't have a sewing machine. I guess I'm gonna buy one of these days. I don't know, probably when my channel gets more subscribers, I can buy a sewing machine so I can offer more content and different things. So but right now you can use glue. You can be in my same position that you don't have a sewing machine, but that is not a reason for not doing anything or for stopping doing your journal or making your things. So this is there. I love it, and I'm gonna cut a tiny piece from here because I don't want it to be like super into the measurements. Actually, it has a crease here, and I'm gonna take advantage of that in order to cut there. Okay, I love this grungy aspect of the acrylic on top of the cardstock, so this is perfect. And by the way, green is my favorite color, so it looks like green is taking part of this project. It's everywhere on the cups and the really back of the cover. Green is really everywhere. This is actually a picture of a quilt, and I made this collage here as a background. I can have this in the center of the page, so I'm gonna just fold this, and it's not a square, so it's gonna be like randomly like that. That's not really half of it, but I'm gonna have it like so. And my heart that I always do, and you know it. Okay, and allow it to fold. Do it this way, and then I'm going to have in one of the pages the statue, this wonderful collage. And let's glue it. This is a pizza place and they make wonderful coffee there. So I want to have this probably on this page because everything is from Italy. I glued this on top of another page, also vintage, but now I don't want it here. And as you can see, it's kind of long. This is nice, the texture. Probably what I can do is, what about having just this part and use this border as an envelope? Yes, I'm gonna do that because I want that texture in here in this journal. So I'm just gonna measure probably 7 centimeters. Well, I don't want to destroy that pizza there. So let's have, yes, 7 centimeters. 7 and 7. This is going to match with my cup, and I'm gonna cover it. I have the map here that says coffees everywhere. So I'm just gonna include this tag that I love. I made it, and this is coffee dyed. And so I wanna open a tiny hole here. I'm gonna punch a hole so I can have it as a tag actually in there. And I have this tiny piece of thread that is brown like coffee that I used it previously. Right now I'm gonna place this here. Probably in the future I can change it. I have a lot of jute and another materials, but what about that? This is actually coffee dyed, and also this is distress ink, vintage photo that's made out of that, so the person can use this to do some journaling in there. So, and this can go in here. I love it, and it's also related with a map and also related with coffee is everywhere. So this is all for today. I am in love with this channel. I'm in love with this project. You can always visit my main channel that is La Doctora de las Plantas. That is the plant doctor. So that's my main channel. I have a lot of subscribers there, and I hope to grow this channel as much as the other one. So help me with your subscription, leave me your thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment down below. I see you soon, my friends, and you can always subscribe just touching this little square here with this nice picture. Did you know that this is going to continue? Yes, we're gonna have another episode about this amazing journal related with coffee. So I see you in my next episode. Bye, friends. Ring for coffee. Bye bye. See you soon. Bye. Bye, friends.